to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick the scourge, I lick the scourge. Now I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick the scourge, lick the scourge. You know what I've been through. It feels like there's no use, but I won't be happy too. Maybe 2020 is the year I bloom. For crying out loud, fuck you. I'ma tell you this.
Hello! Hi, Bob! Finally, nakapag-vlog na ulit. So, andito kami sa Viewscape Nature Park. Sa lang.
Sa alfresco dining.
Alfresco dining. Tapos hihiram kami later ng kainis ng pang grill.
Dito ako pa dito.
Lahat aesthetic. Fuck the world tayo naman.
Ayaw, na pala. Paano?
Tada! Say hi to the vlog, Cham!
Hi daw.
So this is the kind of weather na maganda. Ito na yun. Ito
Travis!
yung nasa ano ka lang. Ano tawag doon?
So, si Travis, ang name niya is Travis Scat dahil kay Travis Scat. Kung hindi niyo kilala si Travis Scat,
Check nyo sa Spotify.
check niyo siya sa Spotify, favorite nito. Kaya, Travis Scat yung name ni Travis. Pero hindi siya magtatagal sa amin. Temporary lang siya. He's a rescue cat. Rescue cat siya ni Tom kasi nakita siya ni Tom pauwi. Then, parang pinaglalaroan siya ng mga lasing na lalaki. So, they're drunk and hawak nila yung mga huskies nila na malalaki. Kasi nga husky. Malalaki yung husky. Then, parang pinapalaro nila dun sa mga husky nila si Travis. Tapos parang that time, medyo dying na siya. Kasi parang baby pa lang siya. Parang
Weeks pa lang.
weeks pa lang ata siya. Kaya, nung nakuha siya nito, super ano yung eyes niya. Yung parang wala siyang nakikita. Puro puti. Tapos, yung dumi-dumi niya. Tapos, dinala namin siya sa vet. Ngayon, maingay na siya. Everyday. Hindi niya na kami pinapatulog. Say hi na. Oo, yun na yung hi niya. Yun na yung hi mo, mahal ko. Hindi ko pwede maglabas. Dito lang ikaw sa tabi ko.
Buti nga ang bait nitong aso.
This is our first rescue animal. Super bait ng dog na yan. Wala siyang pakialam. Yung iba galit sa pusa. Pero kahit sa pusa, wala siyang pakialam. Chill lang siya. I know.
Try niyo bumaba. Bawal nakapin nila yung one eye. We should buy.
Baka ikaw talaga inabol niya. Busy mag-draw.
What's up everybody, we're here at Viewscape Nature Park here in Rizal. Took about an hour and 30 plus minutes to get here from
Depends
Pasig.
kung traffic.
Yeah. So as you can see here, we have the awning set up. So you can choose that as an option. We picked the car camping option and we spent 1,600.
1,600
And that's for, so we're three right now. We're
for
three.
the three of us.
So that's it. That's all you have
That's
to
a
spend.
day tour. Pero I think iba yung prices nila
Pag overnight.
kapag overnight,
Yeah.
and if you're going to rent their cabanas, meron silang A-frame cabanas.
Yeah.
We'll put the prices link down below. And if you have other questions regarding the place,
Yeah,
just
just leave us a comment. But overall, place is like super chill, very relaxing.
Pero I think pag pumunta kayo sa weekends, maraming tao
Yeah,
dito
that's
kasi
what sabi
medyo
nga ni ate sa front desk.
medyo sikat din yung lugar eh. Lalo na yung mga A-frames nila. Pero if mga ganito na weekdays naman and day tour lang
Yeah,
kayo,
we
I
were
think
like 2 cars.
2 cars.
Here.
May mga dumarating pero nag-photo sessions lang.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Because the place is quite big. You have enough space to park a bunch of cars. So you can choose to do that, or you can also choose to set up a tent if you want. We have different activities.
Ano yung mga activities na?
ATV, fruit picking, there's like a trail where you can go. Based on the map, there's like a cave that you can go check
Wow.
out. Daw. I saw it on the map that Ate sent.
Siya kasi yung kausap.
But other than that, it's overall you can just relax. The place is very nice. And if
Set up
you,
your car, then ano lang kayo to grill. You can
Which
bring
we-
your own
yeah.
food.
we rented a grill for
Meron din
250.
silang food.
Yeah, they have a
diba?
restaurant. You can buy from them.
Actually, 1.6 kasama na dun yung griller nila
Mhm.
and yung charcoal nila. So, you don't need to bring your own charcoal.
Yeah.
Katulad ng ginagawa namin, lagi na nagdadala pa kami.
Mhm.
This time, meron naman silang available the
Yeah.
charcoal.
So it's 250.
Yeah.
You get the grill, you get the charcoal, and that's it. You're set. But if you have your own, you can also use it.
They're also pet friendly. So, if you're planning to bring your fur babies, like,
Yeah, we have Travis
The
Scat
maingay.
here.
so pwede naman. Kasi marami rin silang dogs. Like, there's a dog.
No.
Yeah. Sobrang bait ng mga dogs nila. Hindi sila nang hihingi ng food. Hindi rin sila nang gugulo kapag kumakain kayo.
So you know they're well
Unlike
taken
other
care
foods.
of.
Yes. Ibig sabihin, busog sila. So,
Mhm.
hindi rin sila nangangagat. Di sila nang kakahol. Sila lang nagkakahulan. So, it's nice here. Obviously, ayun yung friend ko.
Muni-muni mo.
May mga may gate and maraming nag-aayos talaga ng mga minemaintain yung area, kaya makikita nyo wala siyang kalat. So,
Yeah.
as always,
Clean up after yourself,
Mhm.
please.
bring your trashes with
Please.
you and make sure na malinis yung iiwanan yung lugar.
That way, I mean, the place has staff, but they're not your staff. So just clean up after yourself. So if you're going to go for a day tour, they open at 6 a.m. and then your day trip ends at 4. So that's quite a lot of time if you come early. So it's very nice. You can just have your breakfast here, have lunch here, and then eat before you leave. And then of course you have the option to do overnight. So just make sure you message them on their Facebook page. They're very responsive. They reply very fast. So
Pero pwede rin naman kayo mag-walk-in.
Mhm.
If you're planning to walk-in. Wag lang, I think, weekend.
yes, kasi sabi ni ate
Medyo
sobrang
mahirap.
puno daw talaga. Guava. The owner was kind enough to give us freshly picked native guava. Dogs are fighting turkeys. I don't know. Busy. I believe.
Nakita mo, pink. Sarap.
Sweet.
Pwede kayong bumili sa kanila.
Maybe. You have a leaf in his mouth.
Inayad.
Yes, 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 yes.
Come here.
Napapalaro na.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
It's a thing that for you I would've put it all on hold. Now I'm playing in the sand till it turned to gold. Midas hands, but we all grow old. Can't have my soul, let my heart turn stone. Guess I gotta say it twice, it ain't my fault. Every little thing got a price, that's what I thought. That's what they taught. Yeah, I'ma take my chances, Elijah. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about growing older. Done my thinking, me and you. Guess it's over. It was a rainbow, but was sinking. Lost my hue. I might come running back when our hearts get back on track. When the stars line up, that's that. I've been attached, just looking out. We move so fast, was moving south. My secret sauce, boo in and out. Miss how you gloss that pretty mouth.